Have you ever watched a YouTube video where someone claims they made $20,000 in their first month with vending machines, or that drop shipping is basically printing money? We spent weeks diving into the actual data behind suspiciously high side hustle income claims, and what we found will probably save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. Today, we're exposing the systematic data manipulation that has created this fantasy income landscape and giving you the realistic numbers you need to make smart decisions. Here's what we don't do. We don't sell courses. That's exactly why we can tell you what the real data shows about side hustles, and it's dramatically different from what you've been told. More about the course thing later. Here's a telling statistic. Google searches for passive income have increased 200% since 2020, while actual small business survivorship rates have gone down. The gap between perception and reality has never been wider. More people than ever want or need a side business, but they are falling through the cracks for a number of reasons. While we were researching, we uncovered something else. The U.S. Census Bureau found that self-employed people report 40% more income in surveys than they actually make on their tax returns. Even when people aren't trying to mislead you, they're usually unconsciously inflating their earnings by nearly half. Here's where it gets worse. Government agencies can't track digital side hustles separately from traditional self-employment. The Bureau of Labor Statistics lumps affiliate marketers in with Uber drivers. The IRS captures sole proprietor income but provides no breakdown by business type. This leaves all of us in a data desert. Claims are exceptionally difficult or impossible to verify for side businesses specifically. And if you research this topic like we did, you'll find that the majority of income data, which is unverifiable, comes from sources that actually sell you these businesses, services that connect you to affiliate deals, online publishers that want to push certain platforms and tools, and organizations that have very expensive courses or meetups that promise to set you up right. This data vacuum creates a perfect environment for misinformation to flourish. The FTC has issued warnings already to over 1,000 businesses just for false earnings claims. Here's what the government data shows. According to Census Bureau data, the median side hustle income is $200 per month. Half of all side hustlers make less than $100 monthly. And here's the key number. Only 35% of side hustlers ever reach that $1,000 monthly threshold that gets promoted as pretty typical. The rest work 11 to 16 hours weekly for what often amounts to below minimum wage. But here's what's throwing gas on this wildfire: courses. The course seller phenomenon. That dropshipping guru showing off their Tesla, they probably made more money selling their $997 course than they ever did selling products online. Take self-publishing books. According to the Authors Guild, the median book income is just $2,000 annually, and you're competing with 1.4 million new titles published annually. No wonder it's more appealing to cherry pick a month's unverified revenue, flash it in a screenshot, and then sell someone on a course and not the book itself. Course creators discovered they make more money teaching side hustles than doing them. That creates massive incentive to exaggerate earning potential and downplay challenges. The reality check. Vending machines are pretty hot right now, so let's quickly break these numbers down. Startup costs run $2,000 to $10,000 per machine. Monthly expenses eat up $275 to $800. Average revenue is $309 monthly. So your actual profit, you can estimate about $100 to $375 per month per machine. 65% of prime locations are already controlled by established operators. So yes, be skeptical of content creators showing you fistfuls of cash. Here's the time investment reality. Most side hustles need 3 to 12 months to reach their first $100 monthly and 12 to 36 months to hit $1,000 monthly. Many side hustles pay below minimum wage for the first year. And here's the tax reality. Making $1,000 monthly from your side hustle, your $12,000 becomes $7,100 to $8,800 after taxes. Most people don't plan for this and get caught with fees or worse. What we'd actually recommend. Be honest about your goals. If you want real money, approach this like a business. Expect 12 to 24 months before meaningful income and save 30% for taxes. If it's a hobby that pays for itself, that's different. Let's just not confuse the two. Here's your realistic roadmap. Step 1, find your intersection. Always base your business, yes, even your side business, on existing skills. The learning curve that kills most side hustles, you've already climbed it if it's a skill that you have and you know. Choose something that energizes you and has market demand. We recommend starting with services because of lower costs and faster validation, but not every skill or passion translates well to services. Step 2, validate before you invest. Ask 10 to 20 potential customers, would you pay X amount for Y? You get 3 yes responses first. Check if competitors exist and are thriving. Competition often validates demand. Step 3, build systematically. Separate bank account. Track your expenses. Save 30% for taxes. Set specific goals. Document everything. You can start with discounted rates if you want to build testimonials and your client base, and then you can raise prices as you prove results. Next, choose a scaling path. Staying part-time means focusing on increasing your efficiency to get more out of your hours, or scaling within parameters like getting help or increasing prices. Going full-time means investing in growth and marketing and testing that this income can scale with a direct input of more of your time. Other ways to increase your earnings include bundling services, targeting higher paying segments, and developing recurring revenue. Choose a growth path that aligns with you, your lifestyle goals, not just maximum revenue. Why do business gurus keep pushing unrealistic numbers? Simple. They're not making money from the side hustle. They're making money selling you the dream. We're not making this video to crush your dreams. We're making it because most side hustles require business level commitment and knowledge for hobby level returns, and you deserve to know that going in. This doesn't mean that side hustles don't work or can't return you money. It means you need realistic expectations, proper planning, and understanding of what you're actually getting into. We've been helping entrepreneurs understand business realities for over 15 years. Everything we provide is completely free because we believe information should be accessible and honest, including every completely free worksheet, tool, and downloadable that you can find below for free, from permit and license cheat sheets, business plans, pricing guides, and so much more. If this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, share it with somebody else who might be considering these too good to be true opportunities. The more people who understand the real numbers, the better decisions they'll make. What's been your experience with side hustles? Let us know in the comments. We do read every single one. We'll see you in the next video.